Hello everyone, this is Patron Lee from Team X, and we are introducing Fidelity. Working collaboratively as a team, we are developing an interactive fitness equipment that translates variable pressure into music. We focus on young adults that rarely do fitness exercise and want to have a healthy body through changing the behaviors. We want to motivate users to do more exercise through joyful experiences by providing instant reactions from visual and auditory aspects. The overall working principle is that by first we use sensors to capture users' data from their fitness exercise and then transfer them to the computer. Then we process the data at the back end by generating dynamic music and patterns from the visual and auditory aspects. Now I will introduce the task allocation in our team. I will be in charge of the data input. Tianyi will be focusing on data processing, and Shan will be working on interactive reactions as data output. The features of our device is we can immediately capture data with no delay and generating music at the same time. The music is connected with pressure data and changed dynamically. And finally, LED strip hidden in the pressure board will provide interactive reactions. Our device contains the following technical components: Arduino kit, speaker, pressure sensor, exercise instruments. At this stage, we use pressure board for push-up exercise, algorithm that process data at the back end, and LED strip. The overall intended experience is that when users take Fidelity out and place their hands on the board, start doing push-up exercise, and produce pressure on the board, the pressure sensor will immediately collect data and process them at the back end. When the system receives the data, it will generate music and patterns. The patterns and music change dynamically based on users' movements. With the continual interactions, users enjoy the fitness exercise journey with Fidelity. Now I will introduce my individual focus. As I mentioned before, I am working on data input. So at this stage, I am building a pressure board to collect pressure data from users' fitness exercise. The key components are below: Arduino force-sensitive resistor, a board that was simulated by a stack of paper, a 10K resistor, some hookup wires, LED, and breadboard. Now I will introduce the functionalities of my prototype. The most important thing is the pressure detection by different levels. As you can see in the code, the delay is set into 100, so the pressure sensor will read pressure value for each 0.1 seconds to provide continual data input. And the pressure level is set into 5 different levels just for further processing. The outcomes are presented in 2 ways. I can directly read pressure value through serial monitor, or pressure waveform from serial plotter. Other than reading the pressure value on the computer, I want to give limited feedbacks to users, so I use LED brightness to measure how much pressure they have put on the board. the next step, I will try to connect with my teammate's component to deliver a single prototype, and looking for additional data resources as input, and replace the existing FSR by a larger sensor.